Hi, welcome to this Argos product installation guide. Before buying any extending pressure fit safety gate, always measure the gap in which you intend to position the gate. Pressure fit gates fit a variety of openings. This particular model fits openings of between 73 cm and 80 cm. Extension kits are available if your opening is larger and can be fitted to either or both sides. Pressure fit gates are not recommended for use at the top of the stairs. However, as an alternative, they can be located in an upstairs doorway. If locating at the bottom of the stairs, remember to ensure that the gate opens away from the staircase and is positioned on the lowest stair. All safety gates at Argos are suitable for children up to 24 months. Start by laying out each of the parts and check them against the supplied instructions. You may also need a spanner, screwdriver, pencil, tape measure and drill. Don't worry about the small gap at the top of the gate, it's there to allow the pressure fitting of the gate at a later stage. Please follow the instructions carefully as incorrect installation can be dangerous. If you are adding an extension, you'll need to do this first. Just slot the double-ended linkages into the extensions and either side of the frame to create a wider frame for your gate. To secure your safety gate to the wall, you will need to add the spindles to each corner and align the frame in the gap, leaving no more than 62 mm at either side of the frame and 3 mm clearance at the bottom. When you're happy with the position, attach the wall cups to the opening using either the enclosed screws or double-sided sticky pads. Now adjust the spindles onto the wall cups until the gate securely fits the opening and the gap at the top closes. It helps to turn the nut first by hand before tightening with your spanner. This gate opens in both directions, but if you'd prefer it to only open one way, you can adjust the stoppers accordingly. It also has a double locking option for extra security. To make life easier, this gate can be operated with one hand and can be slammed shut. Please ensure that you test your gate regularly for security and stability, and always check that it's locked when in use. Children must be supervised at all times. Argos on your mobile, tablet, online and in store.